It's me, Señorita Melbae.
Konnichiwa Langgings! Welcome back to my channel! Today is my third day here in Japan, and I came here to celebrate my birthday. So muna siya ang main purpose nga akong pag-adri-diri is to celebrate my 36th birthday. Char, 36 na watigol lang na, pero at least guwapag yapon. Charis lang! I am staying here at Tokyo. So, maura niya siya akong atuan lang ginis. Di na ako maagto sa other parts of Japan because budget, consider na itong budget. Although, yeah, medyo mahal ang Japan, but then, gipag-ipunan po ko nga trip. And before I came here, so I do research kung din ko ma-stay diri sa Tokyo. So, I was thinking of Shinjuku as a kusa, but I decided to stay here in Ueno since gasulti and sa mga vlogs po na akong nalantaw is mas cheaper dire kay mga residential area na siya dire sa Japan. So, and then I booked a hotel here. It's Ueno Hotel. So, pronounce diri is Ueno. Atong pag-pronounce sa Pinas is Ueno Hotel kay spelled siya as U-E-N-O, but then ang locals diri sa Japan they called Ueno Hotel. So I'll be staying here for 4 days and 3 nights. Ako masulti is very sulit dyan akong pagstay diri kay the room although is not so big but spacious enough for me. Kay mao siya ang typical rooms dire sa mga hotel sa Japan, gagmay lang din siya, but for me it's okay since ako lang naman isa and spacious for me na, and it's very clean, medyo high touch, labi na sa sa toilet dire ang katawan ko na una na ako abot. May pakita na ako later sa akong room tour. And it's very clean, complete na siya sa toiletries, and I guess we'll give you a room tour para makita ninyo. So kung may plan ng mga diri sa Japan soon, you can I can give you a hotel recommendation, Ueno Hotel. So join me Langgings as I give you a room tour. Langgings, this is what to expect when you book your stay here at Ueno Hotel, Tokyo, Japan. The bed. Comfy kay siya Langging as in. And here, you can hang your clothes here. So this is the standard room. Air conditioned, and let's go to the bathroom. So, siya ang bath. There is a hot and cold shower, and complete toiletries. You have a shampoo, conditioner, body soap, pants, and lactacid. And of course, ang pants again, lactacid, kung ano na siyang idala. So, lactacid, for my intimate care and pants for my facial care. Bikini man. May pa-sponsor dyan. Charis lang. And we go here sa toilet. So, open. Close na ako. Kay Marag. So, muna siya rin ang toilet langgings. Hindi siya ka-high-tech, no? Muna siya after ka mo gamit, ano lang din mo diri ang mga buttons for flushing. This one for flushing, bidet, and the dryer. So, before ko nag-gamit, nag-YouTube pag-itawon ko. Kaya di ko kasabot sa mga Chinese character. Pero, YouTube helps dyan. So, experience na siya niya laging mga tumidari sa Japan po mo. Nga, hindi na siya dari ka high-tech. As in, makuyuan na ako sa But, it's a good experience. And here, na siya dari yung washing area. So, na siya face and hand soap, pre-toothpaste and toothbrush. Then here, ilahang faucet diri is hot and cold pud siya. So, of course, nanap yung mirror. So, ang vlogger, ready to aral later. Then, towel. Here na ay television, TV, and telephone. Pero wala ko na nagamit ang TV since di na ako ganahan kayo mo lantaw o TV. Cellphone na lang. And there's a vanity area here. Or before mo mulakat, pwede mo kapagbaba. Check your outfit check. Or look and makeup check. Then, siya gapoy toiletries. Ay fabric freshener. Yeah, fabric and air freshener. Then, may tissue diri. Siyempre, akong pang-abrakalo. Char, nilala part sa room tour. Then, ay trash can. And here, pwede ka another mirror. I still love this. Kaya dagang big mirror. Pwede ka kakuan-kuan before ka malakat. Charis lang. See, mo na siya ang area. So, then here, no smoking siya dito na room. Langgings, no? So, dako kayo ang penalty. Kung smoke ka dito sa room, smoking penalty is 20,000 yen. So you can smoke outside. If there comes smoke, then here, if you have request, so you can put the request outside the door. So do not make up the room, do not disturb. An optional request. And pwede ko napakita sa inyo here, balik taang na smoke detector dali sa kuan sa room. So mo ni siya kung maligo ka, so dapat isara dyan mo ang kaning glass door kaya kung basi ma-detect ang ano sa init sa hot shower. So imagine siya ginagaslagi hot tag rin na notice. Keep the door closed. Kung ganito naman siya. And I think na nako din yung room tour. Ay, napaday during the side. So before I forgot, down the eye na siya blower for your blow dry hair and extra tissue. And here napaday siya fridge. Down here na ay fridge. Nako din go-off. Ano siya na siya fridge. Go-off din na siya nakulain na. So muna siya na sliced bread. Gapit. So that's all. That's all for the room tour. So I guess it's all for the room tour lang, games. And this has been Señorita Melbae saying, do what makes you happy, because happiness is always a choice. Bye!